Welcome everyone to Level Up Clips. In this video we have a couple dash cam videos of people in accidents, road rage moments. I left some of the best clips at the end. Let me know what you think down below, which one was your favorite clip. I hope you guys enjoy the video. This first clip, we have this car just driving down the road casually. Looks like it's in Thailand. Gets airborne on a mattress, and you'll see what happens at the end. In this next clip, it looks like we have people just, casually driving down the road, and one truck decides to cut another one off. And as you know it, one person will start to get road rage and maybe cut the other guy off. Go ahead and check it out.
Oh, look at this mother.
As you can see, it looks like they're just having an argument about trying to exchange information and whatnot, but who knows what really happened? Well, we'll stay tuned for it.
What's your problem, dude?
What's the problem?
You don't know how to drive?
No, I know drive.
Okay, give me your info then.
You seen me.
I hit you. You're the one that went to my lane.
Why you don't say
Bro,
nothing with
you
the
got
accident?
this one and you got this one. So you got there's no argument. There's no argument, brother. Give me your info. Give me your info. I'm gonna call CHP as well.
Which one? What are you talking?
California Highway Patrol.
Looks like we got another case of a road rage incident, another turning one. I don't know. Next thing you know, this white car just comes out of nowhere and sideswipes another and just slams on the brakes. Was it insurance fraud? But who knows? But we'll never find out, will we?
Ikaw pa din nagtayo, no? Nandun na nakatayo. Nakita ko nga habang.
Stupid. What the fuck? Crazy. I'm gonna call the police. Yeah.
For this next one, we got driving down the highway and this truck just merges over and cuts another vehicle off and sideswipes them. Just never stop, just a hit and run. What would you guys do in that incident? In these next series of clips, we got just multiple accidents, head-on collisions, side swipes, people running stop signs, all that good stuff. Go ahead and check it out. This next clip, this next road rage clip, we got these cars going down the road starting at the stoplight. This white car on the passenger side of looks like a truck is just driving the bicycle lane, trying to get over, but the truck won't let him get over. Let me know down in the comment section what you would do in this situation. Would you let the guy over or not? See what happens.
Dude, I've got a dash cam. Wah! Dash cam. Yeah, go ahead. I'll show him the dash cam of you cutting us off like that. Go ahead. Yeah, let's go ahead. I'll download the.
For this next one, we got another road rage incident. As you see, this this red truck just cuts off this guy with the dash cam. We don't really know exactly what happens. Go ahead and check it out and see for yourself. In the next clip, we got this, looks like a Prius, a Tesla, or some, I don't know what kind of vehicle. It's just a dark vehicle comes screaming on the driver's side. In a thing of rage, driver starts getting out of his window, yelling at the car behind him. Go ahead and check this one out.
Go. 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 Go.
They literally look like 17-year-olds.
For this next crash, we got speeding down the highway. All of a sudden, this car comes off on the on-ramp, clips one car, fishtails him up into the bank. You know what to do. This next clip is wild. We got this car thinking he's in Fast and Furious movie over here trying to drive under a semi with all these poles. And lo and behold, guess what happens? Things go wrong. For the last and final clip, we got a stoplight. This white car comes flying into the intersection, just fails to stop and gets T-boned or T-bones a car into the intersection. Now we got this 3-car pileup on it. It's wild.
And you know, I thought it would go up higher in like Weber. Oh shit.
Starting 911 call. To cancel, press the 911 button on the mirror.
Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Calling 911.
Hold on a minute.
Thanks for watching. Tune in for the next set of clips. Is it going to be another dash cam? Is it going to be gamer raging moments? Let me know down in the comments what you guys would like to see. Go ahead, hit that like, subscribe button, and go ahead and leave that comment. Appreciate you guys watching.